Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about settling your tax debt for pennies on a dollar. Is that possible? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My videos are very short, they're sweet, and to the point. I don't even get a chance to really bore you. What is this pennies on a dollar, and can you settle? Well, it's a very creative marketing tool used by advertisers to get you to submit your information to a tax resolution company to find out if you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. It started out with J.K. Harris, believe it or not, about 15 or 20 years ago, and he was inundated with calls for tax settlements. But really, is it possible? Well, last year, the Internal Revenue Service received about 58,000 offers in compromise. That is the form or the name of the program that IRS uses to settle debt. IRS accepted about 18,000 offers in compromise, or settled the debt for pennies on a dollar, or the national average of 16,000. What does it take to go ahead and get your tax debt settled for pennies on a dollar? There's two tests. The first test is the asset test. If you can liquidate all your assets and pay the tax liability in full, IRS is not going to accept an offer in compromise to settle the debt for pennies on a dollar. Why? They could just seize it and take it. Let's say you owed $50,000, and let's say you have a home and it has equity of $50,000. Well, IRS isn't going to take it because you have the liquidity to pay them. The next test is the income test. IRS has a standard of income and expenses in every county in the United States. So what you have to do is you've got to walk through the income test to see if you have what IRS calls any money that you can give IRS on a monthly basis. So IRS uses those two standards to determine whether you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. Before you go off thinking you're going to settle your pennies on a dollar, understand there's a PreQualifier Tool online that IRS has called the Offer and Compromise PreQualifier Tool. So most people are just like the other, like 18,000 people last year who got their debt settled. The rest of us, millions and millions of people, will never get their tax debt settled. Thank you.